Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to record slow motion and super slow motion videos in Samsung Galaxy A51. For that, first open the camera app. Here tap on More. On this page you will find both the options. The first one is super slow motion and the second one is slow motion. Tap on the option which you want to record. For example, let me select slow motion. Now, tap the record button to record the videos in slow motion. For example, let me record this video. This is how it looks. Here are some sample videos which are recorded in slow motion and super slow motion. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you find this video useful.